Welcome back students. We will continue division part 1. Today we will learn dividing 0 by a non-zero number. Let's solve one example. If there are 0 laddus on a plate and there are total 9 children, how many laddus each child will get? So 0 divided by 9 0 times is 0, so 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. Therefore, each child will get 0 laddus. Student, remember this. When 0 is divided by any other number, that is by any non-zero number, the quotient is always 0. Let's solve another example. 40 divided by 2. 2 times is 4. So 4 minus 4, the answer is 0. 0 will carry forward. We get 2 zeros. 0 times is 0. So 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. Now students, we are going to learn how to solve word problems. Our first example is 6 farmers together bought 96 sacks of manure. How many sacks of manure will each one get? Given number of sacks manure, that is equals to 96, number of farmers, that is equals to 6. To find out number of sacks each farmer gets, that is equals to 96 divided by 6. So 96 divided by 6, 6 1 times is 6, so 9 minus 6, we get 3. 6 will be carry forward. We get 36. So 6 times is 36. So 36 minus 36, the answer is 0, 0. Therefore, each farmer will get 16 sacks of manure. Moving on to the next example, if 48 flowers are divided equally among 4 children, how many flowers does each child get? Given number of flowers, that is equals to 48, number of children, that is equals to 4. To find out how many flowers each child get, that is equals to 48 divided by 4. So 48 divided by 4, 4 1 times is 4, so 4 minus 4, the answer is 0. 8 will be carry forward. We get 8. 4 2 times is 8, so 8 minus 8, the answer is 0. Therefore, each child gets 12 flowers. Moving on to the next example, Rohan purchases 4 pens and gives rupees 60 to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper returns rupees 4 to Rohan. What is the cost of 1 pen? Given number of pens, that is equals to 4. Cost of 4 pens, that is equals to 60 minus 4. Here 4 is the amount returned by shopkeeper to Rohan, that is equals to rupees 56. To find out cost of 1 pen, that is equals to 56 divided by 4. So 56 divided by 4, 4 1 times is 4, so 5 minus 4, the answer is 1. 6 will be carry forward. We get 16. 4 times is 16, so 16 minus 16, the answer is 0. Therefore, the cost of 1 pen is rupees 14. Now students, we are going to learn how to frame question from the given information. Let's solve one example. Using the number 55 and 5, make a word problem of division and solve it. So the framed question is 55 notebooks were shared between 5 students. How many will each child get? Given number of notebooks, that is equals to 55, number of children, that is equals to 5. To find out number of notebooks each child get, that is equals to 55 divided by 5. So 55 divided by 5, 5, 1 times is 5, so 5 minus 5, the answer is 0. 5 will be carried forward. We get 5. 5, 1 times is again 5, so 5 minus 5, we get 0, 0. Therefore, each child will get 11 notebooks. Hope students you understood how to solve word problems.